Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one topic, that is city creation. In this we are going to discuss one topic, that is this thing basically, this amount basically. Two topics we are going to discuss. This is one amount and another topic is
अंधार झालेला आहे सगळा.
this trade
त्यामुळे
basically.
काही दाखवता आलं नसतं आणि ब्लॉगचा काहीच उपयोग झाला नसता. त्यामुळे मग जेवणासाठी टेबल दिलेले आहेत आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये एक्झिक्युटिव्ह क्लासमध्ये फक्त तुम्हाला 4 चेअर्स एका लाईनीमध्ये असतात, म्हणजे इकडे 2 आणि इकडे 2. कारण की मी हे तुम्हाला आता का दाखवून देतोय की हा आपला क्लास नाही.
Two topics. One is this amount topic, that is. Then this is three topic basically. We can say two topic only. This World War basically topic. One topic is this. Another topic is that train basically, which you just now saw basically. That is Vande Bharat. Like this basically, many trains basically are getting into the picture. So in this basically, first we will talk about this war basically. This war basically, everybody knows that why the war basically was happening, because our planet was moving at the particular direction. So there basically the war was required, right? Basically in this basically lots of story was prepared. That means Earth planet was going to reach that side basically. That story was fixed basically, that world war, the Earth planet is going to be that side basically. According to that basically the lots of stories basically are prepared basically, and world war basically was started. That is one thing. Assume basically first world war done basically, right? In this basically first world war, around here basically we'll take one thing basically, just how this is connecting to the Microsoft, that also we will discuss. World War One. Total people died. Assume 1 crore. 1 crore people died. Assume basically. So this 1 crore people basically was human cloned. This 1 crore people basically was human cloned and created, and some country here, assume that basically we are taking here India created one caste, that is any caste basically. We will name the caste basically, name of the caste. This caste basically they are going to prepare. Like same way, all wars, people died, whatever basically amount basically died, was human cloned and created some caste basically. This is one thing basically, right? This actually we have already discussed long before basically. This is not new basically. So as per the war basically, the people dies, and according to that the caste basically gets prepared basically, so that basically it should be remembered that basically the Earth planet basically was moving to that side now basically, that due to that basically the war was basically started basically. So the war basically was started basically. So assume that basically this many war basically done, this many caste was prepared, and like these things basically was done basically. This is one thing basically, this we have already discussed basically. And in this basically, few data basically Microsoft also basically takes from this basically. Whatever software company basically are existing basically, they basically takes few data from this died people basically. That is rule basically. That is rule that basically whatever basically software company basically has basically jumped into this basically, they have to take few data basically. So they basically might take 10,000, 20,000 or basically 50,000 or basically 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Like this basically data takes. Each software company like SAP, big software company basically, the base software company who are basically into the base software creation basically. That is clear basically. Then you do the DS basically, that is clear basically. So like this basically things basically are there. So why basically they might be that basically they are taking this data basically, there might be some reason basically. Remember basically that, so that basically the software company basically can track each and everything basically, so that the software company can track each and every creation basically which they are doing. That is my text box equal to 1,000 cities, so 1,000 cities basically are the creation basically. So like this it should be each and everything basically should be clear, that's why basically. Each and everything should be clear, that's why basically. Nothing else basically like that. So like basically things are basically there basically. So one of the person told that like this basically the creation basically has created. So this is basically one creation. Now basically the another thing basically, that is that amount basically. That is this amount basically. That is this amount. This amount. So whatever things basically which is getting created, that is railway, train, this, that, basically planes, bus, big cities, banks also basically takes the money, World Bank basically do the invest. Each and every money basically are taken from this data basically. So if one person basically is not able to earn a 1 rupee also, then just you have to understand that basically these groups basically has created problem to your life basically. For example, I am not able to earn basically single rupee over also basically. That means this from this group basically somebody has done basically, and these basically groups are Bombay Stock Exchange group basically. that are basically in Mumbai city basically. So these groups has created some problem. In next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.